God damn, so hard for you to stand, isn't it?
This is so laggy.
Or the lack of circumstances of it disintegrate. We about to die in this fucking Ferris wheel!
Keep them Rugers tucked. These fuck boys claim they trapping hard, so count it up. We run these blocks, we flipping work and keep them Rugers tucked. Oh, that's your bitch, she hit my line, she wanna suck me up. Y'all niggas mad, I'm counting cash and I don't give a fuck. Put that on my east side, Swiller on my west.
You know that, right?
Yeah, I see. You're a bestie, man.
I see. I wish
Nice
you
to
were-
see you.
Nah, wait, are you the half of people I ignored off while game request on MetaQuest?
Nah, quit playing.
Yeah, I don't seem to get a lot, but in the real world, I don't have any.
Please sign my balloon, bro.
Sign what? Oh, it's on top of
Sorry,
your
my
head.
bad. Oh. You were still sliding out like a good second after that, and then
Same world as that block, goddamn.
I see who's your best.
Twin.
Man, what are you applauding for? Anyone would have aware of that. All that shit and my health's still flawless.
played. Nah, I know you played.
Wait, hold on. My mic is too loud. Chill out.
Jeffy.
I know this guy's.
No.
Oh, look at
no.
the size of his head. The size of the
Nice.
seed from a
It's-
fucking
it's-
shrub
that's not me,
or some
bro.
shit. Face ain't look like I'm
I
talking to
know
him.
that guy.
I know you, bro.
I see. I
I
know
told
him.
him, bro. He
I know you, bro.
gave me CPR.
Bro, how have you been stuck to my refrigerator lately, bro?
Come out.
Came out a fucking rock.
He resurrected me. I see. Please.
I see, bro. You're the second coming of Christ, right?
I see. Remember me?
Yeah, not just you. There was like two of
Hey,
you.
hey,
One
by the way,
left.
We're
I
his
think she was
besties.
blonde.
Back off.
And from the mic you didn't have before.
Bestie,
Not
bestie.
enough to go.
Doesn't it feel hot today?
No.
Please.
It's
What do you
cloudy,
think?
but I can still feel the sun.
We'll follow you.
I see. I see.
We're all cold, bro.
I mean, I only know like half. That's it. I don't know every single one of
Nicely
these
hold it.
topics. God damn it.
Nice and cold.
Sweltering.
Are you shivering? Are you shivering?
No, real talk though. Imagine having this raw weather in summer though.
Look at Noah.
Come out out of my window.
Hey, it's that
Oh,
other
nice.
guy that has BC.
I don't know what he
You
said.
come in.
I see.
Yeah.
Am I your bestie?
No.
I see.
We're
Am I
his
your bestie?
besties.
Hey.
My time now. Just remember, still left standing without a frostbite.
Don't worry, I said make sure to protect you from the
It's
cold.
okay, buddy.
Bro, why y'all constantly me like I'm
You know,
born or
forever.
something?
We're done. We're not done here.
No, what? No, now that's something that you call mysterious.
With the flip.
Oh,
No.
Oh, I thought spiking up for a second. He
Oh.
just disappeared.
He jumped over me.
Nah, I was about to say, I thought you was
His head.
actually eating the part of you. Damn! I don't know how I feel about the enthusiasm. There's a lot of you. Gonna tear this whole Ferris wheel down.
Let's go on the merry-go-round.
Up,
We can sit together and hold hands.
Fine. Both the
whole hand. Alright, buddy.
I see. I hurt my legs.
May you can you please carry me?
But where are you at?
I'm carrying you on your back.
Here we go.
Hey, what's good?
Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Oh shoot!
Oh, you saved me.
I see, bro. Save me.
Someone just died. We're gonna die. We're gonna die.
God, I see.
No, it's over, man.
I see. I get very emotional.
This is definitely worse than the one from Disneyland. And there's a volcano. Yeah, we're gonna die.
Bro, she kept hitting us, bro. I think she kept hitting us.
God damn. So hard for you to stand, isn't it?
This is so laggy.
Oh yeah, now we just hanging with a cute angle of this shit.
Hey, where Heather at? I see her.
Oh, she's behind me. I kind of feel bad.
Bro, what is it?
What? No, Vaughn! Vaughn, no! Oh, man. See, I told you we were gonna die in this fucking Ferris wheel. Don't tell me their head isn't popped out after that. Yo, how come I can't hear anything? Oh, wow. Blow up, blow up, blow up, blow up. Nice, nice, nice. Yeah, man. My connection ruins everything. Yeah, you told me you was gonna change. I like it. I like it. I like it. It looks good. It's just the only thing is I just can't hear you. I don't know why. I don't know why. Hey, watch me leap over this shit. Wait for it. Yay! No, no. Where the fuck is my balloon at? Man! Are you fucking serious? Bro, who is this sitting on me? Okay, no, for real shit though, where the hell's the audio? Because this is starting to piss me off. I can't even hear anything. I don't even know if my mic is on. Just look at this shit. Where Heather at? Man, I wish my health increased automatically. Even though it's full, but why can't they just get rid of the apples and just, you know, not overhearing something? Oh my, look at this. This shit doesn't even make any sense. Where are the clouds at? How's there a fucking tornado if I don't feel any wind? This shit looks like it's 80 degrees out here. And she's wearing a fucking Yeah, I'm gone. I'm gone. This shit kind of big too. Wait, let me look. Oh yeah, god damn. Oh yeah, and R.I.P. Ed Gale. You know, yeah, man. Might as well consider this a land spout. This is the type of shit from 2 years later that Turkey was, or what it looked like. Yeah, once again, I still can't hear you. Oh, we survived. Want to do another one? I don't even want to do another one. These natural disasters right now don't even make any sense. How could there be a tornado without like wind or like a storm or something, you know? Either way, I know it can be possible. I know it can be possible for a tornado to even start without wind, even though I know that, but clearly where I was standing before, it looks clearly sunny out.
These niggas throwing bees up, thinking that they blooded. Niggas throwing seeds up, calling you they cousin. Niggas holding guns up that only hold a dozen. Call of Duty clips, little nigga no Russian.